If you've ever seen Devin Jatho on Instagram, I'm going to show you how he's making $200,000 per month so you can replicate it, steal it, and do the exact same thing using social media. We got 3 parts to cover in this video. The first is the content that Devin is making on Instagram. The second is his media mastery program. And then the third is how he's actually making the money. Let's start. Listen, guys, if you want to make a lot of money, you probably have to sell a lot of people a lot of stuff. And the best way to get in front of a lot of people is by utilizing social media. And Devin is great at garnering and curating a bunch of attention using short form content. If we can see his Instagram right now, it's sitting at a whopping 321,000 followers. And he is averaging almost 500,000 views per reel, which then would lead you guys to do what? If you guys looked at any of his reels, you see that he always has these call to actions at the bottom of his video. He'll say, comment a keyword right now, comment Devin Zone or something like that. And when you comment these keywords, this is actually my editor right here. What is that, bro? A deal. But you comment a keyword and it actually will direct you straight. This is me commenting the keyword, okay? Then it will take you straight to the DMs where he sends you something like an opt-in, where you can actually utilize a specific thing from Devin's arsenal to enhance your content creation. Now, on the other side, Devin also posted one video straight to his YouTube with 13,000 followers. And this one video, if you go to the comment section of this video, actually brings you over to his media starter kit and his content Bible. Okay, this is the little link in the description of this video that has 250,000 views. If you scroll down, this is where it will take you. It's a landing page of sorts explaining what the content Bible is and what you would get inside of it, which is actually free. And you click the little get content Bible, and if you actually press this button, it's going to reel you over to what I'm about to show you. But if you actually open it, it's a Notion document with a media starter kit as well as an actual content Bible inside of it. Okay, the content Bible is here, and this is the media starter kit. Pretty cool and intuitive, free opt-in. All right, now most creators will add an opt-in, some free value to give away, so that you are enticed to utilize their paid stuff. So I actually went ahead and went through his paid funnel, his media mastery program, which is the link right here, as you can see in his Instagram bio. It's the Media Mastery, join Media Mastery if you go all the way over here, and it'll bring you to a type form. And a type form is just basically a survey where you actually have to press enter, fill out a bunch of information which will qualify you or disqualify you to be in Devin's program. And at the time of recording this video, there was no availability, so I didn't get to book a call with any of his team members. But if this was open, somebody will probably follow up with me, or I would have actually gotten a Calendly link where I could have booked straight to a call with one of Devin's team members, where I would have been closed on his program, which would have been down here all the way to the checkout. Now, if you guys want to see more creators like this, I don't know what Devin charges for his program, and I don't know how many students he has, so it would be incorrect for me to make an assumption on his income, but he stated in multiple videos he makes about $200,000 a month, which is pretty crazy, just running the simple social media funnel on Instagram. But if you want to do the same thing, I would recommend you guys start posting on social media, on Instagram, on YouTube, start doing top of funnel stuff, okay? Now, Devin will make videos about content creation, and prior to getting to Devin's page, you probably don't know anything about content creation. You're totally unaware. But then Devin will make a video right here explaining that these are the best ways, the best practices for you to get into content creation. And now you're actually wondering, oh, well, I have a problem. I'm not good at content creation. Right here, you're now aware of the problem, which will call you to action by commenting on one of his videos or going to the link in his bio and filling out the information on a type form. So now as he pushes you down the funnel even more, you're filling out information, you're leaving reviews, all the things that are helping Devin funnel you down to a serious interested person all the way to a committed customer. I hope you guys like this one. I will be reviewing more and more and more gurus over time. And Devin, good job, buddy. See you guys in the next one. Peace.